Hello, Jim Barker, Jim and Janelle, the cool husband and wife team, Realty Executives, Phoenix, Arizona. Is it summer? Yes, it is. Is it hot? Yeah, it is. However, I'm Jim. Janelle and I continue to work throughout the summer. Going to take you through this golf course house once again. Come along for the ride. Home is 2-bed, 2-bath, approximately 1,800 square feet, built in 1976. Janelle and I really like this house. It's got personality. If you notice that fireplace over there, eclectic, whatever you want to call it, we really like it. If you notice, it's got nice flooring, no popcorn ceilings. Like I say, that accent wall over there, that is a wood burning fireplace. Kitchen's around the corner. I'll take you there in a second. And an expanded Arizona room looking onto the golf course. Heated and cooled Arizona room, spectacular views overlooking the golf course, overlooking the ponds / lake. Another wonderful thing about this place is you get this expanded Arizona room and you also get the screened in patio. So as far as sitting out here enjoying the Arizona climate, it's absolutely wonderful. And there's roller shields on almost all the windows in the entire house. Tile flooring in the kitchen, matching black appliances, updated cabinets, granite counters, view to the golf course. Features in this property just keep going. As long as we're on this side of the house, I'm going to pop you into the garage. Concrete coating, 2-car garage, and a wonderful storage area over here. Nice, spacious inside laundry room, more storage cabinets, another exit to the patio / golf course. One more panoramic view of this wonderful living room. Oh my, there she is. I told you Jim and Janelle were the cool husband and wife team. Master bedroom, once again, updated flooring, ceiling fan, light kit. Over here, double closets. This is an expansion that was done at the original time of construction. Nice sitting room, office, whatever you want to use it for. This helps bring up the square footage to the 1,800 square feet. Master bathroom, single sink, shower stall. Down the hall to the guest bathroom and bedroom. Tub and shower in the guest bathroom. Spacious guest bedroom. Nice flooring, double closets, and I'll scan back here. Plantation shutters and the exterior roller security shields. And this is absolutely spectacular. Golf course property, overlooking the pond, overlooking the fairway, facing west, which is an ideal location for winter visitors. As I said in the beginning of this video, Janelle and I continue to work throughout the entire summer. Don't miss out on this particular property. Even though it's summertime, give us a call, 602-525-4531. The seller has told me that she's motivated to get this property sold. So once again, Jim and Janelle, the cool husband and wife team, 602-525-4531. Give us a call. Love to get you on this property. We work all summer long. Go Bulldogs.